Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna now install the Play to Air wireless car player on an Honda Odyssey 2021. As you can see, this model has the upgraded head unit, and of course you need to plug your mobile phone in order to have CarPlay, but with this device you don't need to plug a cable into your mobile phone every time you jump into your car. You simply install this device and your car will become a wireless car player. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna simply plug the Play to Air into the USB port on the Odyssey and just wait a few seconds until the VCU is detected by the car and ready to go. So this is a great thing. You don't have to connect your mobile phone anymore. You just jump into your car, start driving, and it will automatically connect to your mobile phone. You will see this VCU on the screen, and then you will have the Apple the CarPlay menu available for you. So if you want to listen to songs, of course, maps, messages, all the different apps you have available on your phone will be available now on your car via CarPlay wirelessly. So yeah, if you want to know more about Play to Air, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.